In this video, you'll learn how to find your wallet address on Binance. This process will allow you to receive cryptocurrency securely and efficiently. Begin by opening the Binance application or navigating to the Binance website in your preferred web browser. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you're not signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, locate the wallet option in the main navigation menu. This is typically found at the top of the screen. Click on Wallet to proceed to the Wallet Overview section. Next, look for the Deposit button within the Wallet section. This button is often prominently displayed. Click on Deposit to initiate the process of receiving cryptocurrency. After selecting Deposit, you will be prompted to choose the type of asset you wish to receive. Click on the drop-down menu or the list that appears to browse through the available cryptocurrencies. Be sure to select the correct coin to ensure compatibility with your intended transaction. Once you've selected the desired coin, you will need to choose the network for the transaction. It is crucial to select the correct network that corresponds to the cryptocurrency you are receiving. This ensures that your funds are directed to the appropriate address. After confirming your coin and network selection, you will see your deposit address displayed on the screen. This address is unique to your Binance wallet for the selected cryptocurrency. Click on the option to copy the address, which you will use to receive funds from other wallets or exchanges. It is important to verify the address before sharing it. Ensure there are no extra spaces or characters. If you are dealing with large transactions, consider sending a small test amount first to confirm that everything is functioning correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.